Hi, happy Women's Day to all the beautiful and gorgeous women around me. Take small breaks from your regular schedule, very busy life, and enjoy your life. Stay healthy and happy. Thank you.
Happy Women's Day to all the women out there who inspire every single person around them and make their lives better. Going by the theme of this year, invest in women and accelerate the progress. Support every single woman out there to see a better future. Thank you.
Hi, on this International Women's Day, let us celebrate strength, worth, and courage of women everywhere. A woman can achieve all her dreams. I wish every woman realizes her strength, true potential, and nothing can stop her from achieving dreams. Once again, happy International Women's Day. Thank you.
Happy Women's
Happy
Day.
Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Wish you a happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day.
Wish you a very happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.